Let's pretend, okay, you are on the charts, you have everything, the confirmations, the structure, the zones, the candlesticks, and you want to take a buy, okay, as it is here. If you look in details again, as I told you, we have a bullish structure, okay, with highs, lows, and so on, okay. So the price made a small consolidation area here, but the overall momentum is bullish. Okay, so the price meet your zone as you did, and at this moment you need to find an entry point. So you monitor the price, you wait for the confirmations, and you fix an entry point, a stop loss, and finally a target. Your mistake on this one, okay, is the market structure. You have to train yourself to identify the highs, the lows properly in order to take the best entries on the markets. That's very important, okay? That's more important than the zones, the candlesticks, the trend lines, and all this stuff. If you look in details here, okay, price made a high point, a low point, a high, an equal high here with a double top, a new low, a new high, okay? And by the way, we have a new resistance here. Then price made a low, a new high, okay? So that's the continuation of the resistance. And you took your entry at this moment. So at this moment, okay, you have nothing. You don't have any breakout, you don't have any retest, you don't have any confirmations. You have no reasons to take a buy here because you are just in a bearish momentum, okay? You have this structure here more specifically. Okay, and then the new lower low that confirm the breakout, okay, and the continuation of the bullish structure. So the plan here was to take a buy, right? You took a buy, but it was too early. And if you look after the price was going up, so the sense globally was not wrong. Okay, your analysis was not wrong, and you was in the good sense. But you took a too aggressive entry, and by the way, not a proper one. I will show you why. So I told you we have a bearish structure. Okay, if you look left, so you have no reasons again to take a buy. But now, if you look at the structure, okay, we made this recent high, this lower low, as I told you, and then we made a lower high, a higher low, a lower high, a lower low, okay, and then a new high. So this one is a critical point because we made a breakout, okay, of the previous structure. You can connect the dots sometimes, okay, if you don't know at which moment you have to take a buy. And here, as I told you, we made a break of the structure and then a retest. You took your entry here, again, no reasons to take a buy. And if you look in details here, okay, you have the reaction you wanted on this setup. The price was going up. So it was possible to take a buy here, stop loss, few pips below the entry, and then you target the next zone to the upside. If you took a buy here, as I told you, you see a continuation on the structure, okay, with a high point, a higher low, a high, a low, a higher high, and so on, okay, but the price was going up. Then we had this bearish flag, but bearish flag, as you know, is not a reversal pattern. That's just a continuation, okay? In every structures on the markets, you have at a certain moment a brace, okay, on the market. So a push phase, maybe a simple retracement, a new push phase, maybe a bearish channel, okay, as it is here like this, and at a certain moment you have a breakout because this is only a continuation. So you have to follow the momentum. Tell me if I'm wrong, okay? That's your entry, right?
Yeah.
You took your entry here, okay? Again, it was too aggressive and no reasons to enter in this setup, okay? Price is not going in your direction. You don't have any reversal patterns. You don't have any candlesticks. You have absolutely nothing. So that's a too early entry. But again, you was in the right sense. Okay, so that's the good point. You know the direction and you follow the momentum, but your entries are too tight. So let me show you why. Price made a high, this point, this one, and this one, okay? And if you look again here on the chart, you have a head and shoulders with the first shoulder, the head, the breakout, and the second one here. Why we made a breakout? Because we had this higher low and then this lower low. So this is the breakout. Then price
Mhm.
made a retest, okay, on the second shoulder. And as you know, the head and shoulders are very powerful on the markets. Once you know where they are, okay, you just have to exploit them and you will follow the momentum. So you have 12.30 in the rest of reward. That's huge, okay? You are in the good sense, you took a proper entry because you have no drawdown and you enter at the best moment. The rest of reward is bigger and you follow the momentum because you have identified, okay, a reversal pattern, which is the head and shoulders. Do you understand your mistake?
Yes, understand.
Perfect. So most of the time you have to identify these critical key levels, okay, and these patterns to take the best entries. On this one, you have almost no drawdown.